Alright, this Yamaha's on low idle, basically the idle control, and nothing's plugged in, there's no load. And I could see in a situation if you had a light load plugged in that had an intermittent load on the bottom, it does have a little bit of a lean miss to it. It may be hard to tell on camera, but it does. And if you slightly pull the choke out and fatten up the carburetor, right there, the mist does disappear, and I don't really. It's a real fine line, but right there with the choke out a little bit, the wobble's gone. If you push the choke in after a couple seconds, it will kind of start to miss again. I'm not disappointed in the purchase. I'm not taking it back. It's just something I noticed. I think a piece of equipment like Yamaha or Honda, I think the best, and this is something you can see. You can hear the mist now. Like I said, under a load, it doesn't do it. But if you were at a camp and running something really light or intermittent load, I just don't like this miss. You know, every time it's a miss, maybe the exhaust is getting plugged up. It's just not necessary. Like I said, under full load, it runs fine, or even under a load with a power load, you know, it runs fine, but there is a little bit of a lean miss. But we'll see how it goes. I'll keep you updated on the quality, on the durability, and the future usage of this generator.